Hi everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can block a website on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, launch settings. In the settings you want to enter the screen time category. If the screen time is disabled, as it is in my case, just turn it on. Choose whom this phone belongs to, yourself or your child. After the screen time feature gets activated, you need to go straight for the content and privacy restrictions section. In here, switch this toggle on. After that, you want to go for the let me find it real quick. For the content restrictions field, enter the screen time password if you have any. In here, go for the web content section. And here you have, quite a few options to choose from. You can either, allow all the web, basically, which is not the case if you would like to block some particular website. I recommend that you either go for the allowed websites and simply create a list of websites, of web pages that you, want to be surfable. Or you can also go for the limit adult websites, and at the never allow website section, add the website that you would like to block. So let's say block Google, probably google.com, done. And just like so, we have successfully blocked this particular website. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.